You ever bite into a jalapeno, immediately regret your life choices, but then go back for another one anyway? Yeah, that's because humans are weird. Welcome to Think Bits, the channel where we pretend to know stuff, and then make you feel smarter about your questionable food decisions. Today's hot topic, literally, is this. Why does spicy food feel like torture? And why are we all addicted to the pain? Alright, here's the thing. Spicy food isn't actually hot. Like, there's no tiny furnace inside that chili pepper waiting to burn your tongue. What's happening is way more devious. The main culprit is a chemical called capsaicin. Sounds like a move, right? But no, capsaicin is the molecule peppers developed as a defense system. Basically, chili peppers didn't want to be eaten by animals. They're like, hey, how do we stop these jerks from munching on us? Boom, capsaicin. Joke's on them though, because humans tasted it and went, ouch, that hurts. Let's put it on everything. So here's how it works. Your tongue has these little receptors called TRPV1. Their whole job is to detect when something is too hot. It's like, yo, don't eat that soup yet. You'll burn yourself. But capsaicin strolls in like an imposter and tricks your tongue into thinking your mouth is literally on fire. It's not heat. It's a chemical prank. Your nerves freak out, send signals to your brain screaming, we're dying, and your brain is like, uh-oh, panic time. That's why your body starts sweating, your nose runs, and you make that awkward face like you just realized you never paid off your student loans. Pure survival mode. But here's the million-dollar question. If our brains think spicy food is danger, why do people keep eating it? Why do some of us order extra hot wings like we're trying to prove something to strangers at a bar? It's because our brains are kind of messed up in the best way. When capsaicin sets off the pain alarm, your brain doesn't just sit there. It tries to help by releasing endorphins and dopamine. Basically, nature's version of painkillers and happy juice. So yeah, spicy food hurts, but then your brain rewards you for surviving with a mini chemical high. It's like running a marathon, but way easier because all you did was eat tacos. This is also why spicy food feels addictive. Not because you're hooked on peppers themselves, but because you're hooked on the rush afterward. It's thrill-seeking, except instead of jumping out of an airplane, you're crying over a plate of hot chicken. And honestly, that feels safer. You never hear about someone getting stuck in a chili pepper at 10,000 feet, unless that's a new TikTok trend. I wouldn't put it past Gen Z. Now, let's talk about the suffering part. Everyone's tolerance is different. Some people eat a single jalapeno and act like they just licked the sun. Others down ghost peppers and smile like it's breakfast cereal. That's because repeated exposure can actually dull your receptors. It's like your mouth gets used to the prank. The more you eat spicy food, the less dramatic your pain response becomes. Which is great if you want to look tough, but not so great if you end up needing to dump half a bottle of hot sauce on everything just to feel alive. Congratulations, you've hacked your taste buds into needing pain for pleasure. Humans are wild. Oh, and in case you're wondering, water doesn't help. I know, we all run for the water glass like it's a fire extinguisher. But capsaicin doesn't dissolve in water. It's oil-based. So when you drink water, you're basically just spreading the burn around like an amateur. That's why milk actually works better. Milk has a protein called casein that binds with capsaicin and washes it away. Basically, milk is the superhero your tongue needs, not water. Though, if you're lactose intolerant, I guess you just have to suffer and accept your life choices. And get this, humans are basically the only species dumb enough to enjoy this. Other animals taste spicy and run for their lives. Birds, however, are immune to capsaicin. That's right, peppers evolved this whole painful defense mechanism to stop mammals, but birds can eat peppers without flinching. Which is smart for the plant because birds help spread seeds around. Meanwhile, humans said, ouch, my mouth is on fire. And then decided to invent buffalo wings, sriracha, and an entire YouTube show where celebrities cry over hot sauce. We are chaos. But hey, maybe that's why spicy food is stuck around. It's not just about taste, it's about experience. Eating spicy food is like riding a roller coaster for your mouth. It's scary, it's painful, but it's exciting. You sweat, you panic, you regret, and then you want to do it again. Because deep down, humans love testing their limits, and nothing says I'm alive, like feeling your tongue melt off while pretending you're totally fine in front of your friends. So, next time you're crying into your burrito and wondering why you did this to yourself, just remember it's not because the food is hot. It's because your brain is being tricked and you're chasing that sweet endorphin rush like the spice addict you are. Pain and pleasure wrapped up in a tortilla. Thanks, Capsaicin. You really spiced up our lives. This has been Think Bits, where we answer the questions you didn't know you wanted answered, and make fun of humanity while we're at it. Go grab some hot sauce or don't. Either way, your tongue is probably mad at you already.